are you? Aunt Gigi here, ready to read you another story that I've just finished. Got my sunscreen, I've got my towel, got my sunglasses because we're at the water park today. And I've got a great book called Splash. This is by Leslie Patricelli. We're going to the beach. Yippee, yippee, you and me. Towel, hat, sunglasses, sand toys. Whee! It's always fun to go swimming. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This sand is hot. Towel, umbrella, now it's not. Squirt, squirt, sunscreen on our skin. Rubby, rubby, rub it in. You don't want to get burned by the sun. Let's go swim, come on. Splishy, splash. Run away from waves that crash. Seashells, starfish, crabs, a clam. Build a castle made of sand. Summer sunny, ice cream running. Sandy, sticky, rinse away. Time to go? No. Time to stay. Maybe take a little nap at the beach. That's what Aunt Gigi likes to do. More summer things. Sunflower, butterfly, lemonade, yum. Wading pool, strawberries, sprinkler, bumblebee, ice pop, floaty. Which one would you take to the beach or to the swimming pool? I'll see you next time. I love you. Bye-bye.